Hey guys, welcome Big Feet Car Vlog family to another video. Today's video, man, I just want to show you XR7. Today I'm going to be taking the car to a Rent and Roll Tires Express. This tire right here in the driver's front to get it repaired. Be sure to turn the camera back on when we got some more action going. This boy right here, boy, he really just running this car. Listen at it go, y'all. Listen at it go. Anyway, y'all, man, I'm on my way to Red Road, Rnrexpress tire, man, to get this driver's side front tire repair, man. When I get there, I'm gonna turn the camera back on, man. Alright, y'all, we about to pull in at the Rnrexpress and we're gonna check this car out and see what's going on with it. Alright, y'all, I done got here at the Rnrexpress, man. They said that they have to order a tire, and so I had to bring the car back, unfortunately. But they was able to fix and seal the tire to where it hold air in it, and I have to bring it back, man. So I just thought maybe I'd show you all a couple of rims that they had in style, some new inventory that they had. So I thought I'd just show you all a couple of little rims before I leave out of here, man. Next we're gonna be on the road, and I'm gonna be going to the Nissan dealership, and we're gonna look at this Nissan 350Z, man. And this is a new remake of the car, man. I think this car is about 400 horsepower. So that's what we're getting ready to do next, man. This video is gonna be real short. If you guys find value, man, in the video, man, do me a big favor and say hey back to me by mashing the thumbs up button, man. I appreciate you. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, this is a new 350Z car. I don't know much about this car, but I just thought I'd show you the new redesigned 350Z car. We got dual exhaust at the back. The lights are made different. Still hatchback. It's a two-seater car. Still got that iconic look and shape from back in the day. You know, if you had one of these, you had a hell of a little car. Nice rims, sitting on some Yokohama tires. Nissan all our wheels. The front end redesigned, totally redesigned. Stylish grill in the front, looking real good. Yeah, man. I'm looking for the Brembos. Ain't got no Brembos on this model. Maybe gotta get a. This is probably the base model. Look like got a titanium exhaust. The back, rear diffuser. I like how it come off the side right there. It looks real good. Nissan Z. Got a premium safety package, $298 road hazard tire, road hazard, door protection damage, $349. Resist all windshield protection, $439 value. And they have a pulse collision avoidance device, $493 value. Total price of $1,500 premium safety valve package. This car MSRP is at about $44,200 and something odd dollars. Got a lot of features. Twin turbo 3.0 V6 engine, integrated exhaust manifold, 400 horsepower, 300. Oh, this baby a fly. It's got a lot of features, man. Oh yeah.